Hey class, I hope you're enjoying your first week of INT-113. My name is Greg Lucas. I'm the instructor for this section. I do like videos, so I hope you'll enjoy me making them weekly, if not more frequent if needed. I just wanted to jump in here because I know we're heading into the first weekend of the first week, and I just wanted to ensure that you guys have an understanding of how the class flows and an understanding of the deliverables on a weekly basis. So if we look inside the syllabus, you can see that we have our discussion points. Then we have 3 video exercises, which are completed in the MyLab environment. And then we have the checkpoint submissions, 2 of them, and then the final project. So just to focus on the checkpoints real quick, 2 checkpoints really do equal your final project. So in module 3, you're going to turn in really the first half of your final project, and then in module 6, which is checkpoint 2, you'll turn in the second half of your final presentation. And then when it comes to the final project, you have to literally add 1 or 2 slides to complete it. So the course does flow where you're not working on your final project from scratch the last week, but it's built throughout the class, which is really cool. And it even gets better. So let's flip over to the PowerPoint template that we have for the final project. Obviously, the first slide is just going to be more of a title page. So here's the first slide with actual material on it. If you notice, it says Introduction, Country Name, Rationale, Location, and Geography. That's what you guys already presented for the week 1 discussion. And you see right here, from module 1 discussion included in checkpoint 1. Next slide. Once again, from module 1 discussion included in checkpoint 1. This is where we talk about the country composition, including the literacy rate. So as you see, all the information you gather and present in the weekly discussions, those flow right into your checkpoints, which flow right into your final project. So if we just keep going real quick, now we're on the social cultural environment, which again is included in checkpoint 1. And you answer and you research the information in module 2 discussion. Social cultural environment observation deck based on the discussions from module 1 and 2 included in checkpoint 1. Political legal environment, we will be discussing that in the module 3 discussion included in checkpoint 1. Political legal environment, we will be discussing that in module 4. And if you noticed, now we flip over to included in checkpoint 2, which is due in week 6. So during module 1, module 2, module 3, all the information you put into the discussion boards that you research flows right into your checkpoint 1. So then what happens is after you submit checkpoint 2 in module 6, you literally, to complete your final project, you have to add 1 slide. Final recommendations, market entry strategies, and cultural awareness. So I really like the way the class is set up. You research relevant information every week. You present that in the discussion boards. That information flows right into your checkpoints. Checkpoint 1, first half of your final project. Checkpoint 2, second half of your final project. Then to complete the final project, you just add 1 slide with your final recommendations. I hope this kind of gave you a little bit of an understanding of how the class flows together. If you have any questions, 480-332-7866. Other than that, see you in class. Have a great weekend.